So now we've drilled the holes, the way to nail it through is when you're nailing on the edge of something like this, say you're making a shelf and you want to put an edge on it, hammer the nails in first through the first piece of wood, so until it's just through. You can just feel the point on the back side of it there, and the nails just, I don't know if you can see that, it's just come through on the back. Then do the other end. So the points just come through there. Then take your piece of wood that you want to nail onto, put it in the bench, clamp it up, like so. Then when you put your edge on, just line it up like that, and just press it down slightly. The points of the nails that you've just put through, hold it in place so it's just slightly gripping now. Then all you need to do is hold it in place and finish the nails. So that's through like that. So that's the first side of the bench hook. Then the other side has a piece of 1x2 on the opposite side, so you can just go ahead and do exactly the same with this piece. So measure the thickness, draw along the edge, drill through and nail it on so that it's pointing in the opposite direction. Oops, like that. And then I'll show you how to saw the guide slot along the edge. Now I've got it all nailed together. The next thing to do, which really helps for cutting, so I've got this piece of wood to cut, get my saw. What really helps is to have a little slot in here, which is nice and square, and then you can take your whatever you're going to saw and put it behind it, sitting in there, and then away you go, and you've got a place to start from. Or you can put it off the edge so that it's just sticking out of the edge, put your saw against that end where the mark is, and away you go. So all you need to do for the guide slot is take your combination square, put it wherever you want the guide slot, doesn't really matter, say 2 inches from this end, mark across. I would also mark across here, so down here. So take your combination square, put your pencil on the mark and mark down. That wasn't very good. Mark down. Then just take your saw. Oops. And saw the slot down square. There you go. Now when you want to cut this, put a mark on here, line it up with the slot, put the saw blade in the slot, and then start cutting, and it will be nice and square across there. So that's it, that's the bench hook. Great, so you finished the bench hook, that's brilliant. If you've got this far, you must have finished it, I hope. So I just wanted to show you my bench hook that I made quite a long time ago. I've had it about 10 years now, and it's brilliant. I use it all the time still, even in professional furniture making, so it's definitely worth making one. It's a good exercise in hammering and nailing and drilling holes and things. The next project though, I'm really excited about this one, is this, which is a handy little toolbox, definitely a toolbox. So that'll be the next one up, and after that there's some more in store for you, so I hope you can join me. Thanks very much for watching.